how did 7-year-old Yogita Thackeray die? That's the question no one is clearly able to answer 4 days after her body was found in the backseat of BJP President Nitin Gadkari's car.
In 2009, a 7-year-old girl, Yogita Thackeray, was found dead in Nitin Gadkari's car. The CBI attempted to close this case twice, but the district court rejected the closure report by saying them suspicious. Even after 17 years, this case is still pending. Yogita and Yogita's family is still waiting for justice.
महाराष्ट्र में 70,000 करोड़ के सिंचाई घोटाले का पर्दाफाश करने वाली आरटीआई कार्यकर्ता अंजलि दमानिया ने गंभीर आरोप लगाया है। अंजलि ने कहा है कि जब वो घोटाले की शिकायत लेकर एक विपक्षी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष के पास गई थी तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे तो पवार के साथ कारोबारी रिश्ते हैं।
In 2012, RTI activist Anjali Damania claimed that Gadkari refused to help expose the 72,000 crore irrigation scam. Why? Because he admitted to having a business with NCP leader Sharad Pawar. In response, Gadkari sent her a legal notice for defamation and demanding a public apology, or else he would sue her. And he did it. Then release her. After this, no court case, no updates were reported. Another case closed.
नाग नदी पर काम हो रहा है और मेरा सपना है कि अंबाझरी में बैठकर मैं नाव में बैठकर नाग नदी में घूमते घूमते पार्टी के आगे मैं वो जो हमारा प्रकल्प है ना कोसी खुर्द वहां तक जाना है और इसलिए नाग नदी का सौंदर्यीकरण करने के लिए 2400 करोड़ रुपए हमने मंजूर किए हैं और 3 महीने में ये प्रकल्प की काम की शुरुआत होने वाली है।
In 2015, Nitin Gadkari talked about his dream project, that is Nag River Clean Project. Over 2,400 crore allotted and 1,500 crore spent till 2025. But still, Nag River is a sewer. Who got the contract? Who is earning from this? And who is suffering because of this? The people of Nagpur. In 2018, an RSS member accused Gadkari for transferring cooperative society land to his son's company. Yes, you heard it right. An RSS member accused Gadkari. On this land, 42 crore loans were early claimed. This case is not closed, but proceedings are currently stay. Another case, same story.
40 रुपए का शेयर 16 महीने में 668 रुपए। गडकरी के बेटे की कंपनी का कमाल। सोशल मीडिया पर हंगामा। लोग पूछ रहे ये जादू या कुछ और।
In recent years, Gadkari ji continuously speaking about ethanol. Even he is not belongs to oil ministry. And then in 2025, we got news that Gadkari's son's company jumped from 18 crore to 523 crore. Just because of ethanol policy change. And who is making this policy? And who is in the power? Gadkari's family has 3 ethanol plants. That's why Gadkari is continuously speaking about ethanol. And what we are getting from this? Nothing. Petrol prices is still increasing continuously. I accept that Nitin Gadkari ji has some great vision. But what about this? We can't ignore this also. So think before you follow any politician blindly. And subscribe this channel if you want to watch videos like this.